Today we talk about the exchange system. What is the exchange system? Simply is a method of food classification. A food exchange list is a system of determining a daily food plan based on unit or exchange or varied food type. Each item on an exchange list can be swapped with any other food item on the same list in the portion size listed. The food exchange system was created by American Diabetes Association and the U.S. Public Health Service as a meal planning guide primarily for people with diabetes. Exchange help you understanding track calorie, carbohydrate, protein, and fat that you eat, and avoid gaining controls over calorie intake. But they are not exact. It is a simple and healthy way of eating to provide a general calorie count for planning daily calorie intake. It's a healthy way of eating. This is a video, Super Size Me. And Super Size Me is a 2004 American documentary film directed by and starring Morgan Spurlock, an American independent filmmaker. Spurlock film followed a 30-day period from February 1 to March 2, 2003, during which he ate only McDonald's food. So what do you think of this video? Does anyone want to express their thought? How to use the exchange system? The food exchange shows the amount of nutrient in one serving from each exchange list. As you read the exchange list, you will notice that it's often a larger amount of food than another choice from the same list. Because food are so different, each food is measured or weighed so that amount of carbohydrate, protein, fat, and calorie are the same in each choice. So 1. Familiarize yourself with a different food group and the amount indicated in your meal plan. 2. The food exchange system is based on the principle of a good nutrition that apply to everyone. The goal was to develop an education tool for persons with diabetes will provide uniformity in meal planning and allowed for the inclusion of a wide variety of food. So the food exchange system is updated as necessary. There are many advantages and disadvantages of a food exchange system. The food exchange system helps people learn how to eat more balanced and nutritious when provide a wide variety of food. And the food exchange contains a variety of food so that the patient can choose food to their liking and have diversity every day. So avoiding monotony. When patients move from one part of the country to another, they can easily formulate their diet based on the local available food. The exchange system allows the individual to be accountable for what you eat. The disadvantages of the exchange system are as follows. All measurements have a component of a random error and a systematic bias. Dietary intake measurements are no exception. In addition, absorption rates vary in different individuals. The food exchange system is easier to use than the traditional calorie counter system, making it a faster alternative to ensure that you are eating right. It is an excellent tool for meal planning, calorie control, and meeting AMDRS, acceptable micronutrient distribution range, and DRS, dietary reference intake. AMDRS and DRIS are reference values used to plan and assess the nutrient intake of healthy people. Let's move on the portion size and first understanding the amount of food. The portion size of the food exchange list is based on the gram of carbohydrate, protein, fat, and the total number of calories. It is American of a handy guide to portion size. Units are imperial. There are easy tools for food serving size in Taiwan for this group. You can see the left picture. The bowl can be estimated as the portion of a whole grain, vegetable, and food. The palm can estimate the portion of a legume, fish, egg, meat, and their products. The disposable spoon estimates the portion of a dairy product, whole grain, fat, nut, and seed. And the right side of figure is the 240 millimeter cup for the dairy product portion. These tools are readily available in Taiwan. Let's move on to the next page. The figure shows the serving size of a whole grain, vegetable, and food, but not all one serving. Right side, a bowl of rice has 4 servings. A middle of the figure, a bowl of a vegetable has 1 serving with an edible portion. The right side of figure, a bowl of a food has 1 serving with an edible portion. Imagine the palm of your hand as a rule for measuring 4 portions. So you must first know what kind of a rule your palm is to make an accurate prediction. In principle, palms are divided into 3 liang hands, about 50 centimeters, 4 liang hand, about 18 centimeters, and 5 liang hand, more than 20 centimeters, according to the small, medium, and large size. 1 block represents 1 serving of meat, equal 1 Taiwan use the length of meat. Please refer to the picture. The figure shows serving of cereal, dairy product, and oil. A disposable spoon of milk powder has 1/4 serving. A medium figure, a disposable spoon of corn has 1/5 serving. The right side figure is a disposable spoon of oil has 1 serving. Each item of 1 serving of whole grain on the list below contains approximately 50 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of protein, a trace of fat, and a totally of 17 calories. See the whole grain of food exchange list in this table. These whole grains are common food that everyone eats every day. One serving of a cereal or whole grain provides a total of 17 calories. One serving equals rice, 1/4 bowl equals steamed bun, 1/3 equals soda cookie 3 pieces, or porridge 1/2 bowl equal cookies noodle 1/2 bowl equal rice flour 1/2 bowl equal toast 1/2 piece around 30 grams equal 1 small bread.